of the Alfa Romeo concept, the Alfa Romeo Tonale.
Quindi avete visto che è stata presentata la nuova Alfa Romeo Tonale, concept del prossimo.
Named after another famous Italian pass, the Tonale Pass, the Alfa Romeo Tonale concept provides a strong indication of what an Alfa Romeo CUV could look like. The Tonale is deeply innovative, yet is strongly rooted in our brand DNA, delivering not only exhilarating performance, but the advanced technology of Alfa Romeo's first plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, offering incredible throttle response and driving dynamics synonymous with any Alfa Romeo. And as always, we've put the driver at the center. With incredible steering feel, the new Alfa Romeo Tonale will have a distinct personality with stunning and timeless design that clearly evokes the passion of its designers. And to share the new design inspiration with you, let me introduce Klaus Busse.